So this is one of the assembled pistons. You got the oil ring, which is a 3-piece, the lower ring, upper ring. I left them in each bore as I was building the engine, numbered all the pistons for the hole, used those rings from the hole in the engine to go around the piston. Just get a little orientation here. The oil ring has an upper and lower ring, and upper and lower ring in the spacer. The middle ring is black. The upper ring is silver in my particular case. Some rings have an orientation that they need to be in. There's a little dot on the top ring and the middle ring. There's no markings on the oil ring. They just kind of go in the way they go in. But you need to make sure the dot is facing up towards the top of the piston when you put the rings in. And my suggestion is take your time. Way back on, I think, my first or second engine build, I was putting the rings in. They were a bit of a brittle ring. It might have been the second ring. I can't remember exactly which now. But I broke the tip off of one when I was putting the ring in. They don't sell rings individually. You have to buy another entire kit in order to get your one ring that you broke. So take your time, slide them in. They'll sit on the piston loose until you put the compressor around the top of the piston to slide it into the bore. So just time, take a little bit of time, no rush, get them in there, and all the rings will go in one piece.